Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Noah Kellman, and I am here to teach you everything that I know about modern jazz piano. So today, what I'm actually going to be doing is sharing with you some of my favorite exercises from my book, 36 Runs and Arpeggios. So what these are exercises that focus on both single hand and two-handed runs. They actually help you learn to really navigate the whole keyboard, and by learning them, you're going to be able to really improve your vocabulary overall and try to apply these in improvisation. Now, if you do have any questions about how to actually apply these, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Also, really quick, if you're new to the channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button and hitting the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos just like this one, because I am rolling them out basically weekly. Also, just a quick reminder, if you ever want to slow one of these exercises down, you can just go to the bottom right of the video, click the little settings gear, and you can actually set the speed lower. That way you can actually just kind of jump in and do the exercise at a slower speed, or even play along with the video as you're learning it. Awesome, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Really quick, before we keep going here, just wanted to give another shout out to 36 Runs and Arpeggios, which you can actually find at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. I'll also throw the link in the description below the video. So the PDF contains 30 of these in all keys, so you can really dive in and master them. Also, if you're someone who, rather than working on specific exercises, kind of prefers to work one-on-one with someone, either for lessons or some kind of a more specific planned out strategy, myself and my team are actually still accepting completely free strategy calls. So if you want to just talk to one of us and see if there's a good way for us to help you, we'd love to hear about you and your goals. Maybe hear about what's actually holding you back and what you want to achieve on the piano. And we're here to help you out. So if you want to book one of those free calls, the link is in the description of this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you're able to make a lot of good progress using these exercises. Again, if you have any actual questions about, how or when to integrate them, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, if you want to really dive into these more deeply, even work on them in all keys, be sure to go to jazzpianoconcepts.com/store and check out 30 sick runs and arpeggios. If you're new to the channel, please consider clicking subscribe and hitting the little bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. And also, I really appreciate if you got something good out of this video, please hit that like button. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.